got the release bearing in. It's pretty easy. You need to take this, I don't know what you call this shaft right here for the clutch fork. Take that out by removing that right there. It's just a big Allen key. Take it out, just wiggle the clutch fork and keep working it outward. Then you want to degrease everything. Just use brake cleaner, works fine. Clean it up. Then you want to grease everything. Pick both of these up pretty cheap at any auto parts store. You want to grease basically the shaft that the release bearing sits on, that part right there. You want to grease the ears and the clutch fork itself. You want to grease the shaft. Again, make sure you clean everything before you do it. And that's what it should look like when you're all done. Everything works pretty good. I also got my knob. It's basically brand new looking. It's ready to be dropped into a car. I'm pretty excited. A lot of people were wondering why I was throwing such a fit about not having that. It's because, you know, I bought a 6-speed and I want the 6-speed dump. That's why.